El Paso County Domestic Relations Office Department Overview. The El Paso County Domestic Relations Office Department, DRO, is composed of 6 divisions including Customer Services, Friend of the Court Services, Family Court Services, Community Supervision, Child Support Enforcement, and the Law Library. The mission of the DRO. Through innovative initiative, we strive to educate parents and enrich the lives of children to ensure a bright future for El Paso County. Our goal is to help families success after a divorce or separation and to establish cooperative parenting, enforce child support, medical support, insurance, out-of-pocket medical expenses, and visitation. Family Court Services provides the following services: mediation, access facilitations, parenting coordinator and facilitator services, child custody evaluations, adoption evaluations, child relocation evaluations, limited investigations, and consultations. Family Court Services works with child support courts on enhanced dockets to help child support cases with a history of family violence. Provided 13 community outreach activities this past year to inform the public on our services. Provided over 1,600 educational activities, including co-parenting and court order orientation classes. Assisted the public by answering over 4,000 public inquiries. Child support enforcement. The DRO has entered into a partnership with the Office of the Attorney General of Texas Child Support Division to provide 4D child support enforcement services for parties of a divorce with children or private paternity orders in El Paso County where the party does not receive public assistance, including Medicaid. This early intervention program successfully collected over $15 million in child support for the 2019-2020 year. They obtained an average of 85% paying rate on current child support for 2019. This is well above the state average of 65% paying rate. This division was number 1 in the state in collection of child support with a 96% paying rate in child support collected for the month of November 2020. Friend of the Court. The DRO has a standing order with the family courts to provide friend of the court services for the public. These services include providing modification and enforcement of access and possession schedules of children and non-4D child support orders. This division was awarded the Texas Association of Domestic Relations Office 2019 Award for Excellence in Innovation. Community Supervision provides an alternative to jail for parties that have failed to comply with their court orders. Supervision services are available for 4D and non-4D cases and typically supervise for child support and access and possession of children issues. Community Supervision Division collected over $2 million in child support for the 2019 year for 630 cases. They completed over 3,000 contact activities, including field visits and probation reporting. Community Supervision officers had over 8,000 outbound phone contact activities with those placed on probation. They had 378 requests for court action or violation reports submitted. Customer Service. Collect fees for the service the DRO provides. Set up new non-4D cases at the State Disbursement Unit. Issue withholding orders for non-4D cases and DRO fees. Customer Services is the front line for answering inquiries and accepting applications for services. Completed over 87,000 customer service activities this past year, including answering phone calls and responding to emails. Collected over $500,000 in fees for the 2019 year. The Law Library provides a resource to the public and the El Paso County Bar for legal research. Westlaw and LexisNexis are part of the many resources that are available for online research. Provides the public with access to many self-help documents. The Law Library had over 30,000 visitors during the 2019-2020 year. They had over 1,500 hours of space utilization for meetings and training. Additionally, they hosted 5 continuing legal education courses last year. The DRO Organization Chart. More information on the DRO is available at www.epcounty.com/DRO. Information on our fees and access to our forms and applications are available online. A list of our services with the associated fees. Access to our application forms are also available. Application forms are available in PDF and Google Form format. PDF applications can be submitted online. Google Form applications can also be submitted online. Strategic plan long-term and short-term goals for the DRO. Apply for a grant to provide funding to enhance the DRO mediation services. Pilot online mediation services for self-represented litigants in family courts. Enhance the law library by looking for additional online service and technology for the public and the El Paso Bar Association. Work with the family court to identify the needs of those individuals that interact with their courts. Identify opportunities to assist individuals that utilize our services. Continue to partner with the Office of the Attorney General of Texas Child Support Division for child support, community supervision, and access and possession services.